Hello friends and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class we have learned that what is speed typing test in Python, and I hope you all enjoyed that class. Now in this class we will see that what is bulk rename and how to change image size in it, and I hope you will also enjoy this class like you are enjoying all my previous classes. So first of all I want to tell you one thing that I was just not feeling well till some days, okay? Till 4 days I was not feeling well. You can also notice, okay? Because I was just not uploading the videos till 4 days. So just in fifth day I upload my videos over here, okay? So just you can also see you can also see my face that I am just not feeling well, but I am making video for you so you can learn more better related to Python, okay? So now let's start. Now, first of all, you have to do like just go to window and open your text editor. Okay. So like previously we are working with our PyCharm and Atom text editor. So today we will also work with our PyCharm text editor. So just go here and write over here PyCharm. Okay. So now here you can see this. Now my text editor PyCharm has been open over here. And now here you can see this. I have taken one file which is called bulk.py over here. Okay. So now here you can also take file if you want to. Okay, so there are two files over here. Just I will work with this file, so just ignore this one. Okay, so here you can see this bulk.py. This is my file over here. Okay, so just I will tell you again like how to take file. Okay, so just go to file, then go to new, and then just select it Python file and give your name. Like you all know, this is not important to write .py in only PyCharm text editor over here. Okay, because it when you are creating, just press Python, so it will be automatically created your Python file over here. Okay, just you have to write your name. Okay, so now till here you have understand. Now just from here you can run your code. Okay, so just when we are done with our code, so we will run it. Okay, from here. So just here you can see this. Now here till here we have done our work. Now here bulk file is here over here, and now here we will define our work. Okay, so first of all we have to define import tag. Okay, so like previously we define import with OS. Okay, so there will be also converting, like we will define our import tag which will be with OS. Okay, so here you can see this completely. Okay, so I am just zooming in so you can see again. Okay, so you can see more clearly over here. Okay, so here you can see this import OS I have written. So like you all know how to download it, just go to terminal. I will tell you again, pip install which will be OS. Okay, so just press enter over here. So now here you can see this, it is asking could not find a version. Okay, because I have already downloaded. Just you all know that. Okay, so just I will do like, just I will close this terminal over here, and now I will do like press enter, and now here we have done our work. Now I will define like from, just you have to just close your caps lock over here. Okay, so just from, and now here you have to write it capital. Okay, capital PIL. Okay, so it is really important to write capital. If you write a small, so it will be not work. Okay, because it is one code over here, so you have to write like that. So just we have defined like from PIL over here, and now here you have to define like import image. Okay, so I am defining like import OS from PIL, import image over here. Okay, so just till here we have done our work. Okay, so now here you have to do like press enter, and now here you have to do press enter over here. Okay, so now here we will now define our image. Okay, because we have to change the size of our image which is in folder. Okay, so we will first of all define our image tag. Okay, right over here image, and now with image tag you have to write dir and equal to image and underscore dir which will be equal to, and right over here os dot list dir. Okay, so I am writing like it randomly. Okay, so you can write any code you want to, just this is random code. Okay, over here if you want to, so you can take this code. Okay, but the folder name will be incorrect over here. Okay, means the folder name will be your folder name. Okay, it will be not my. Okay, because my folder name is item, so you can write any folder name you want to. Okay, so just we work with our items folder in previous class like you all know. Okay, in my items folder there are pictures, okay, of fruits over here. So I will change its size over here, and I will also show you that how to change its size to like 1000 to 2000, and then you can also do the size of 700 if you want to. Okay, and it will change automatically in Python over here. Okay, so you can see how it is awesome to do. Okay, so just you have to write brackets, and now write over here one string which will be your folder name. Okay, like here you can see there are coming path init bytes. Okay, so here path means like you all know the location. Okay, so we have to define the location of our folder item. So just here you have to write your folder name and nothing else you have to define. Okay, so just when you have done that all, just come over here, press enter and press enter over here. So now we have done our work till here and I hope you all understand till over here. Now we will define another tag which will be like for, now it will be for image in image dir. Okay, so now we are defining our image with dir. Okay, so we have defined like for image. Okay, so now we are defining our image and now we will define our image with dir over here, which will be underscore and it will be with dir. Now come over here, like you all know dir is mean like it is folder over here, so we are defining our image with folder, in which folder is our image. Okay, so now here you can see this, we have defined our with semicolon and now just you have to press enter over here. And now till here we have done our work and now here you have to define another image tag, but here we will define another randomly which will be IM. Okay, so here you can get any tag you want to, just it will be not IN. Okay, so it will be a IN, so it is a tag over here like I have written here in. Okay, so it is a tag randomly, it is not a random tag, so it is permanent tag of Python. Okay, so if you write, so it will be coming error over here, so just write IM, IL or IO if you want to. Okay, so just like that you have to write. Now I have written IM and now with the IM here you have to define like, just write over here image, and now with the image here you have to define image dot open, and now in image dot open here you have to define your folder name. Okay, so in this string I will define my items folder, items, and now here I will write plus sign which will be with image over here. Okay, so till here we have done our work and I hope you understand till over here. Okay, so here we are defining our IM tag in which we have defined our image dot open. Okay, so it will open our image in items folder which will be image over here. It will be all images, you don't have to define one and other images, just when you have defined one image, so it will be automatically defined all images in your folders which are. Okay, so just here you have to do like press enter over here, and now here we will define like, just come over here and write over here image tag. Okay, so we have done over here, and now here write over here like width. Okay, width which will be comma, and now here you have to first of all define your width and height. Okay, so we will write like height again, and now this time you have to define IM dot same. Okay, so now we have defined like IM dot same over here. Okay, so we have done till over here, and now if I zoom out over here, so we have done our work till over here. Okay, so I hope you understand till over here. We have defined our width and here we have also defined our height. Okay, so I have defined till over here my work I dot same, IM dot same over here. So now here you have to define your width over here. Okay, so now here will be new width. Okay, so the reason is we are writing our new width. Okay, because our image is here with our old width. Okay, which randomly is our width when we are like downloading any pictures or videos from our Google. Okay, Google browser or any browser. So this width is randomly. Okay, width and height will be randomly, so this will be now new width. Okay, so if you want to write old width, so you can also write, just I am writing it randomly so you can understand like this is our new width, so now we are changing it. Okay, so just here you have to write equal to and just write your new width. Okay, so my new width will be 700. Okay, and now it is now 700, and now if I press enter over here, and now here just I will do like that, and now if I do just come over here, and now if I write over here uh, ratio. Okay, so I have to also define this ratio over here. Okay, so now in this ratio I will define like new width. Okay, and now with this new width tag I will define like slash, and now with this slash I will define another width. Okay, so till here we have done our work. Okay, so I hope you understand till over here. So we have defined many things over here, and I hope you understand till over here. So we have defined our new width, then we have defined our ratio. Okay, now we will plus, and now we will multiply our ratio with our height. Okay, so this will be our height over here. So now here you have to write new height. Okay, so write over here like new height, and now the new height will be like init. Okay, like you all know what how to use init tag. Okay, it is used for like Grammarly, so we are using it for multiplication. Okay, like I have tell you init tag is used like for mathematics problems, or it is used Grammarly over here, so we are using it in mathematicals. Okay, so just write over here height which will be multiply by ratio. Okay, So till here we have done our work, and now when you have done that all, just you have to press enter over here again. And now just when you have done this again, and now here you have to define another thing which will be like, and now here it will be, just come over here and write over here like height. So height is defined over here, so now we have to define another thing, and now it will be height only. Okay, so now with this height tag here you have to write 2 1. Okay, two things you have to write like 2. Okay, and now here we will now define like, come over here and write over here new width. Okay, new width. So now we will define our new width, and with this new width tag I will define like new height. Okay, so now I have defined many things over here. Okay, so I hope you understand till over here. So we have defined our width, height, and we have also defined this, and now I have also defined my new width, which will be 700, and now it will be ratio of new width over here, and now it will be our new height over here. Okay, so now here we have done our work over here, and now just when you have done that all, just come over here, and now here you have to define another thing. Okay, the thing will be like, here you have to define IM, which will be now equal to open, and now here again we will define our folder, which will be items. Just write like that, items. It will be now like slash, and now again it will be plus image, but now it will be comma, and now it will be optimize. Okay, so now we will optimize, and now we have to write a statement over here. Okay, so with this optimize tag we have to write a statement like of false or true. Okay, so we have to just take image over here. Okay, we have to just change the size, so we have to write the true one. Okay, now when you have done that, just write another comma, and now in this comma you have to define init, which will be now open tag, and now with this open tag just you have to define comma, which will be close. Okay, so till here we have done our work. Okay, so now it is done. Now just I have run to it. Okay, so just go here and run. Okay, so from here you can also run, so just I am doing it easily. Okay, so just it will be not waste of time over here. Okay, so just I will run. Okay, so now here you can see this, it will take some time over here. Okay, because it is heavy over here. Okay, so now here now it is done. Okay, just you can just take this error over here. Okay, it is not much error, just it is a is quite error over here. Okay, so just you don't have to take it, just ignore this one. Okay, so just we will come in our this pictures over here, so you can see this. Now the size are changes over here. Now if I just show you over here, so here just size is coming 1000. Okay, so just we have to change it to 700. Now I will show you that how to do that. Okay, so now just when you have done that, here you can see the size is coming 1000 over here. Okay, so the size is coming 1000 of this error. Okay, so just I will change it to 700 over here. Okay, so if I do that, and now here you can see this, now here is coming items plus image, and now it will be coming good over here. Okay, so if I do again like that, and now if I run from here, so here you can see now it is taking some time, and this error you have to just ignore this like I have tell you. Now just come over here, and now just come to your items, and now if you check your size, so just go to right click, resize, define. So here you can see now the size has been changed, and now it is coming to 700. Here you can see. So here you can see this, the size is coming now 700. Now you can also do like, if you want to, just you can take size to 3000. Okay, so I will show you run. So here just it will take some time, so I will show you that how it changes. Here you can see it is changing one picture, then now it will be changing like 2 and 3 like this, it will be coming. Okay, so now if I open this pic, so here you can see this. Now if I just resize, come over here, so now width is 1. Okay, so just it can't be 3000 over here, so there is coming like that. Okay, so just wait over here. So now just if it will be 1000. Okay, so now if I run, so now just wait till over here. Okay, so now here you can see now error again come. So now we will again go to our pictures, here come over, right click, resize. So here you can see this now changes to 1000. Okay, so I hope you understand till over here, and I hope you also enjoy this class like you are enjoying my previous classes. So this is enough for today. I will meet